लेकिन ऐसा है नहीं। तुम इतना इंटेलिजेंट हो नहीं जितना तुम सोचते हो तुम है। Now the most important dialogue that I'm going to put out here, you got to be in all kinds of, go to conferences, go to interactive sessions where, listen to this carefully, where your understanding of clients' challenges, suppose I am your client and I run a training company, every seminar you should go, जिस सेमिनार में your understanding of the client's challenges increases. तुम्हारे पास कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है, वो तेल लेने गया। तुम्हारा कितना एडवांस प्रोडक्ट है, मेरे को इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। कौन सा प्रोडक्ट ऑफ विच कंपनी इज बेटर देन विच कंपनी, आई डोंट केयर। If I am a customer, you should attend conferences which makes you understand my difficulties and my challenges and my problems and my worries and my agony and my future. How do you understand my future and how can you help me bring a great future for me? This is the kind of seminars that you should be attending, where your understanding of clients' challenges increases, your wisdom increases. And not conferences that increases, not go to conferences which increases your product, company or industry knowledge. Now you're not going to like that, but I'm not here to make you like me. I'm here to tell you the truth. So demand from every conference these things. Demand from yourself, demand from conferences, demand from us and demand from anybody. How can you understand customers better? Not how can you increase his returns and all, which in any case you have to do. वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा। अगर मैंने 10 रुपया दिया तो उसको 15 रुपया कराना ही है तुम्हें। वो कोई बात ही नहीं है, वो कोई बात ही नहीं है। Now, I said there are two decisions you have to take. One, I will upgrade my cash, I will upgrade my knowledge, attitude, skills on a regular basis to become valuable for and take care of my future. The second decision is, unless and until I have created value in other people's life, I will not expect any kind of economic return. So what is value creation and how is value being created? Value can be created in 3 ways. वैल्यू कैन बी क्रिएटेड इन 3 ways. किसी के जिंदगी में तुम वैल्यू कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हो? सबसे पहला, उस आदमी के लाइफ में तुम लीडर बन जाओ। इसका मतलब है तुम उसके लाइफ के लीडर बने हो। म्यूचुअल फंड्स की बात नहीं कर रहा मैं, उसकी जिंदगी में यू आर कमिंग एज ए लीडर, एंड व्हेन यू कम एज ए लीडर यू स्टार्ट प्रोवाइडिंग डायरेक्शन। नायर साहब, धंधे में आप ये करो, धंधे में ये मत करो, हेल्थ के साथ ये करो, फाइनेंस के साथ ये करो, बच्चों के साथ ऐसा रिश्ता बनाओ, ये करो, ऐसा करो, डू दिस, डू दैट, डोंट डू दिस। सो यू कम इन टू माई लाइफ एंड यू प्ले द रोल ऑफ अ लीडर एंड यू स्टार्ट प्रोवाइडिंग डायरेक्शन टू मी। द मोमेंट you give direction, you've created value. Number 2, तुम्हारे साथ रिश्ता रखने की वजह से I, Santosh Nair, your client, I am absolutely confident about my future. So your relationship should give me confidence. अब आज रात को जाके 5 पेज लिखो, इसका मतलब क्या है? मेरे किसी जिंदगी में उतरने की वजह से मैं कनक जैन, मैं अगर नायर साहब की जिंदगी में उतरा तो मैं नायर साहब को कॉन्फिडेंट कैसे बना सकता हूं उनके फ्यूचर के प्रति, उनके हेल्थ के प्रति, उनके लाइफ के प्रति, उनके धंधे के प्रति, उनके स्पिरिचुअल एबिलिटीज के प्रति, उनके नॉलेज के प्रति, उनको तू कैसा कॉन्फिडेंट बनाएगा? दैट इज वैल्यू क्रिएशन। एंड द थर्ड इज यू बिकम क्रिएटिव। क्रिएटिविटी का मतलब है तुम मेरे जिंदगी में आए एंड आई बिकेम मोर केपेबल। मैंने तुमसे म्यूचुअल फंड खरीदा, हाउ डिड आई बिकम केपेबल? मैंने तुमसे म्यूचुअल फंड खरीदा, हाउ डिड आई गेट डायरेक्शन इन माई लाइफ? बुलशिट, नथिंग हैपेंस। एंड अगर ये नहीं कर सकते हो तो यू विल नॉट बी इन अ पोजीशन टू चार्ज कस्टमर, एंड विदाउट चार्जिंग कस्टमर्स इन द डेज टू कम, कमीशंस पे जिंदगी जीना मुश्किल हो जाएगा। तो मैं तुम्हें गर्म कर रहा हूं। चार्ज करना पड़ेगा. And how do you charge? I will talk about it. You can come and attend my seminar, but I can quickly give you some pointers as to how do you charge. And therefore, my dear friends, the thought behind this whole thing is because today customers want customized experiences. Customized experience. So when you come to me, you give me an experience which is customized to me. Then you go to Kanak Jain's life and you give an experience which is customized. Then you go to Mr. Singh's life and you create a customized experience. You create a unique experience. You create a beautiful experience. आप जिसके भी जिंदगी में जाएंगे, you have to create experiences because experience means you become teachers in customer's life. Now whatever I am saying, video देखो, notes बनाओ, because it is not as simple a minute. क्योंकि I can only on this slide speak for 5 hours. खाली ये स्लाइड पे मैं 5 घंटे बात कर सकता हूं, लेकिन मेरे पास बहुत सारे स्लाइड्स हैं, मैं फटाफट तुम्हें बताऊंगा बिकॉज मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है तुम्हारे साथ बहुत वक्त बिताने के लिए, लेकिन तुम्हारा जिंदगी का फ्यूचर मैं तुम्हें बता सकता हूं आने वाले 1-1.5 घंटे में. नाउ Why is this customized concept? जो बोलते हैं ना कस्टमाइज एक्सपीरियंस तुम्हें क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस क्रिएट करने पड़ेंगे तुम्हारे लाइफ में, कस्टमर्स के लाइफ में. व्हाट इज दिस कॉन्सेप्ट? द कॉन्सेप्ट इज सिंपल. It's known as the experience creation cycle. What does that mean? It means you have customers. His name is Santosh Nair, Kanak Jain, whatever. There is never ending changes happening in my life. Now I run a training company and there is a lot of changes that are happening in the training industry. So there are a lot of changes that are happening in my life. And I am feeling very insecure, very afraid, very lost. I don't know what to do about the future of my company. I am sitting out there, worried, tense. मालूम नहीं क्या करने का मुझे. And therefore, I, the customer, I am facing never-ending challenges or never-ending changes. मेरे लाइफ में never-ending changes हो रहे हैं. तो इसकी वजह से I don't know what to do with my life and my future. Number one. Number two, I feel most of the time nowadays, I am telling you about myself, I feel half the time very hopeless and useless. And I am feeling very lonely. And I am feeling very lost. And you are my, I don't know whether you are an independent financial advisor or are you a life advisor. If you are a life advisor, you will play a role. If you are a financial advisor, तुम बोलेगा नायर गया खड्डे में, अपने को कैसे भी इसको म्यूचुअल फंड पकड़ाने का है. well, आज आप पकड़ाने के लिए देता हूं मैं तेरे, क्योंकि आजकल मेरे पास तेरे बहुत रिप्लेसमेंट है. आजकल मेरे पास तेरे बहुत रिप्लेसमेंट है. 10 साल पहले नहीं था तो तेरी बातें सुनता था मैं. अब जरूरत नहीं है तेरी, एक्चुअली तेरी जरूरत नहीं है. ये बात समझ लो. आज रात को बराबर दारू पीना, आज रात को. एंड देयरफॉर इफ आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू, आई वांट समबडी टू लीड मी. I want somebody to lead me, and therefore providing leadership, that means providing direction, जो मैंने previous slide में बताया. And secondly, because I am feeling very lonely and lost, I want somebody to give me inspiration, and that means your relationship, जो मैंने बोला, relationship provides confidence, leadership provides direction, relationship provides confidence, because leadership provides direction, relationship provides confidence. And now that I am feeling hopeless and lost, I want somebody to tell me what to do, when to do, how to do, and therefore to make me capable. मुझे capable बना सकते हो क्या? तो आजकल तुम्हारी पढ़ाई लिखाई इस क्षेत्र में होना चाहिए, ऐसा मेरा humble request है. Because until 1900, in 1900 there were 2 sectors. One, the commodity sector, so iron ore and all were commodity, and then you had the goods sector, so you made sugar cane se sugar banaya, so you made goods and other things, you made bars out of iron ore and therefore they were goods. and then came the 20th century. And the 20th century was all about service. You had to give service sector. And then 2001 happened. It's no more service now. It's about the experience sector. It's not about taxis, it's about Uber. It's not about Udupi coffee, it's about Starbucks. So can you become the Starbucks of my life, or are you a Udupi? Because Udupi replacement hai mere paas. But can you become Starbucks? And Starbucks creates unique experiences. Harley Davidson creates unique experiences. And that is why you have to create. When you go to Disneyland, it's a unique experience. And wherever a unique experience is there, people pay more money and people fund more bigger ways. They don't bother about the price. And therefore you have to create unique experience. Can you create unique experience? In my life, I am your customer. You are the mutual fund or whatever advisor. Can you create unique experience in my life? Think about it. So you got to move from, product knowledge to client-centered knowledge. Now, अगर आपको बैठ के सोचो 5 पेज लिखो क्लाइंट सेंटर्ड नॉलेज, वो गधे ने बोला वहां खड़े रह के स्टेज पे, इसका मतलब क्या है? लिखो 5 पेज लिखो। मतलब आज के बाद मेरे को किस तरह का क्लाइंट का नॉलेज होना चाहिए, आज रात को लिखो। क्लाइंट सेंटर्ड नॉलेज, and that means you have to understand his whole life, not just financial life. Which means you should be in a position to give customized services to him through your level or through multiple contacts that you build around you. And you will have to have knowledge helping him to ignore all the confusion, and you should not be bothered about सेबी तुमको क्या बोल रहा है, म्यूचुअल फंड कंपनी तुमको क्या बोल रहा है, तुम्हारा बॉस तुमको क्या बोल रहा है. You should not be bothered about all the confusion that is happening in this whole world. There is only one focus: help Nair to grow in life, and you will be successful. You will be successful. All your training in the days to come should be in this direction. All your training should be in this direction. So, a lot of people have confusion between intelligence and wisdom. Now, how many of you feel you are intelligent? साले सब हरामी लोग हैं, क्योंकि तुमको मालूम है मैं कुछ ना कुछ बोलेगा और पकड़े जाओगे. Okay, there is a concept called intelligence versus wisdom. And I was talking to Kanak Jain, a few days back, we attend so many conferences. We attend so many conferences, seminars and all, and the man who came on the 14th of August, when he goes away from here on the 18th of August, 5 days from now, he is the same. Why do you attend conferences? क्यों आते हो? Just because you're bored with Calcutta, bored with Bangalore, bored with Pune or somewhere, and so you come for conferences? How does life change for you? In a big way. In a big way. Can this conference of Ask, just one day before Freedom Day or Independence Day, give you the kind of freedom to become the kind of person whose future is 100% secure for the next 100 years? Can you become a person? Will this conference out here change you or transform you in a manner that you are numero uno? Think about it. If you are intelligent, it will not happen. If you are wise, it will happen. Now let me therefore give you the difference between intelligent and wise people. Generally, if I have time, I do an interaction, but अभी interaction के लिए time नहीं है, क्योंकि उसमें सब seconds चले जाएंगे और अपने को subject cover करने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा. So, intelligent people know, wise people do. Like, आपका देखिए इतना मस्त पेट डेवलप हो रहा है, अभी 2-3 बटन फटने वाला है, देखो। अच्छा, अभी अंदर मत करो इसको, रहने दो। नाउ डिड यू नो दैट हेल्थ इज इंपॉर्टेंट? दैट ये वजन बढ़ रहा है, पेट एकदम फूग रहा है और एकदम बल्जिंग हो रहा है, और ऐसा गया तो बाद में आईना रखना पड़ेगा नीचे देखने के लिए, बहुत सारा चीज है कि नहीं? आपको समझ में आया था? तो सुबह उठ के एक्सरसाइज करके इसको बढ़ने नहीं देना है ना? You are intelligent, you know that, but you don't do anything about it. You don't do anything about it, and because you don't do, ऐसा फूग रहा है। Are you with me? Simple as that. So intelligence versus wisdom means intelligent people know. Intelligent people know that times are changing and that robo advisors are coming and direct game is being played by the mutual fund companies directly and all kinds of things happening. You don't see all these things. You don't know what is going to be the future. How have you changed in the last 6 months? Ask yourself. How have you dramatically changed in the last 6 months? भयंकर तरीके से कैसे बदले हो पिछले 6 महीने में, ये बताओ मेरे को। साला तेरी चाल भी वैसी है, तेरी डाल भी वैसी है, तेरी बोली वैसी है, तेरा कपड़ा पहनने का तरीका वैसा है, तेरी सोच भी वैसी है, तेरा काम करने का तरीका भी वैसी है, सब कुछ तेरा सेम है। पिछले 6 महीने में कुछ नहीं बदला है तेरे लाइफ में, क्योंकि तू बहुत लाउडली वन वर्ड करेक्ट, तुम नहीं बोला, मैं क्या बोल सकता हूं? बट यू नो यू गॉट बी वाइज। नाउ अंडरस्टूड? बेटर प्लेयर देन दैट प्लेयर, बेटर प्लेयर देन दैट प्लेयर, but he was intelligent and so he